only water this video. Come out, share this video. Okay. Something one of my brother, colleague, and a very good friend commented in that video. He ought go melu about Zoro bitters. He ought go by saying that now associate the Zoro bitters with the a religion, which is not supposed to be so. Now, I want to clear the air on that particular issue, which is gonna, number one, my brother, we only associate the Zoro bitters with any religion. Number one, except na wazim na because no ojo zokalo nwe some newspapers. Therefore, nande PDP, nde Apuga, nde YPP, and nde Labour Party ayeje goluzie go because na ifanyo ba YPP, let us forget about APC. When authority newspaper, authority radio, epoizie authority radio na moto, wanyo ye because no honye no na party inone. Are you telling me that na epota or wuni somebody like Aquarafa you got? Yes, you cannot buy Aquarafa you got because no Fadambaka na lawyer. I am asking you. Epota na the whole of Victory Estate. In fact, na almost the whole of our go Babasa the first tag. Meaning na gafia ba wo seraphic water. Mande Muslim, manda de joker, mande na go mo, mande na zohi, mande na ba man go seraphic water na ngo. Iwata go. So it has nothing to do with it. Are you telling us that Zion, being a Zionite, cannot do any activities in support of Zion ministry on because no na lo Zoro bitters? So onye bido helo a particular product or do say non-partisan in anywhere different on them major people see from there. Those are his personal life. Do different from the product and services on a render. Some people with their political life and their business life. So you cannot say because no one speak highly of PDP, they speak down of APC, that it is enough that they put on a chicken republic going. It means no go away problem now. Go away problem. If I in a no do clear. Problem. Yes, the life of a Canadian is different from a Canadian transport. That is the services on a render. The only difference I will here is that Matthias raise a group of bitter individual, very vindictive, wicked in nature. They would the typical example of woman's yoke. Matthias in a race. That is the difference. You cannot tell me that Zion cannot express himself simply because no one is Zoro bitters. Well, manya, I have far from a way house. Zion will even explain on a video made this morning, live program. Let me even explain it more because it will first-hand information and the full exact example of Ivaha Zion neku. Ada Zoro bitters adoba. Zoro bitters ayalo for the next 1 month. Adu go fully distributed. No zise na alo JNB in the mother. So actually, manyaho need much advert because they may go too much advert. I know advert will keep advertising, but manyaho wafio mane long way. So I am not saying this because of Zoro bitters, because Zoro bitters same way out. Manya ne lelo way on a normal production and a manya ha hezu. That is why I could you do the second factory, which is 90% at 90% completion. You want to go? Oblona no daga. I over the second extension. That is it. So now, ako emwebu do manual dollar somewhere in a warehouse. Away for see so even the mother na call, but that was sure because na onye nwelu understanding with tere ọnụ na diokwu, I decided to come and explain it better. Na mmadu nwelu religious belief, look, ike dị ife na Nnewi wee ezigbote onye omenala ka ọwụ, and ike dị ife so n'onye front ro omenala Nnewi, omenala na anyị onye kpatalụ o ji wee so na the founding members of, if not the founder of Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo. Ịghọtago? Ọka iwe mmalụ ka ike dị ife ji wee si wee nọdụ omenala Igbo, nọdụ si omenala ike, especially omenala Nnewi. Ike dị ife hospital ma ndị ụka na-eje amụ nwa ebe a, nwere onye ada eje here. The only difference is that now this young man Anakpo Matthias raise a group of brutal individuals who can follow you even up to your private and family life because need differ with them. No, they can go beyond that okukwe and ekumake, get to your family, get to your business, get to even your personal lifestyle, which has nothing to do with that particular faith of Fetinane discourse. Now, Ugocharacha. I just say, let me give this clarification so that you will understand. What I go na kuwonye Zion, kurisi ike na Zion. They defend this Zion ministry. Does not stop you from buying Zoro bitters. If not that, no mazi ajuni huwa ukwo, no mazi oba, no mazi obiha madetiri. Matthias ne coach you of more fuma. What I go. So don't tell me that akwemo na KK's we associated. Isiagu Zion not the owner of Zoro bitters. Isiagu Zion not a Zion member. Isiagu Zion not one of the top people in a Zion ministry. So what among all these things all these things with Ziogu nyang was Zoro bitters onye Zion member ko onwe testimony share na Zion which no marvel all of us. You got that? He is a dedicated member of Zion ministry and a defender of Zion ministry. Onoyele aluzimanya. Onoyele zimanya. Oye mezi business. So omepe hotel na the center. Oh no, omepe hotel na the center of maybe a business. Hotel ya do ship. Ye jelo jeba because of na Zion way. Is that what you are telling me? Because the assistant hospital akude ni. Ana ejeko na eti mando kane. Manda he joka. Mando hi. Ije na mortuary ya. A lot of people never are on dog. A lot of people never with different religious belief. But yet ane jeti heba ane edozi hakese edozi ndozo. So potano from all this sentiment, my brother, I just decide let me clarify this issue. Leave Zion out of money. If you don't want to buy Zoro bitters, don't buy. If you want to buy, go and buy Zoro bitters. It will come messy, we're happy. As far as I'm concerned, Zoro bitters still remains the African pride. I don't know.